Okay, superstars, so as part of your Mars project, you have to be able to determine the best place on the planet's surface to start a colony. So follow the tasks in the following slides and pause and rewind as you see fit. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is tap on the Mars Globe app, and then that'll open up this picture that you have before you of the planet's surface. Now the important thing you have to do is where I'm circling now under highlights, that is the label that you must have. There are lots of other things like terrain, spacecraft, albedo, but you must have the one labeled highlights. And then you're free to explore the planet Mars, swiping your finger across its surface, so you need to find the best location for where you could start a colony. So as you can see here, after you tap on a place, like I've got Millis Chasma there, you get a lot of information, and so you can determine whether it would be a good or bad place to start your colony. Now as you can see here, this would probably be a bad place, simply because it says here, the atmospheric scientists determined that the winds probably howl down the floors of the canyons. So this would not be a terribly good place for you to pick. So make sure you pick a good place. And then take a screenshot, as you can see in front of you, with the place, like here, as well as all the information there. So that's what you have to do for this task. Good luck. Okay, so the second part of your homework is based on the Mission Mars app. So after you tap on it, those of you who have finished as many levels as possible, or the more levels, you will have an advantage here because you are going to need to tap through each of the levels and find the best possible location to start your colony. Okay, so once you've found a prime location for your where you want your colony to begin, you can take a screenshot, as we've got being highlighted now with a blue X. Now, as you can see there, that is a terrible place to actually stop, because obviously you're on the edge of a precipice, so that's not going to be very good for if you wanted to start a colony, because then this would happen, and then invariably this would happen. So make sure when you're going through the game, find a really nice open flat space where you think it would be prime place for a colony to begin, and then you must take a screenshot of that.